In this video, we'll compare Salesforce CRM and Microsoft Dynamics 365 to help you decide which CRM is the better choice for your business in 2026. Let's start with ease of use. Salesforce has a modern interface and is highly customizable, but it can take some time to learn. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is also feature-rich, and if your business already uses Microsoft products like Outlook, Teams, and Excel, you'll likely find the experience more familiar and integrated. When it comes to features, both platforms are extremely powerful. Salesforce offers advanced sales automation, customizable workflows, AI-powered insights through Einstein, detailed reporting, and a massive ecosystem of apps. Microsoft Dynamics 365 provides similar capabilities along with strong integration with the Microsoft ecosystem and business applications. Next is customization. Salesforce is widely recognized for its flexibility, allowing businesses to customize objects, fields, dashboards, automation, and workflows to match their exact processes. Microsoft Dynamics also offers extensive customization, especially for organizations already invested in Microsoft technologies. For integrations, Salesforce connects with thousands of third-party applications through AppExchange. Microsoft Dynamics, however, has a significant advantage for businesses that rely heavily on Microsoft 365, Power BI, Azure, and Power Automate, as these services work together seamlessly. When it comes to pricing, both platforms offer multiple plans for businesses of different sizes. Salesforce provides a free trial but doesn't offer a permanent free version. Microsoft Dynamics also uses subscription-based pricing, with costs varying depending on the applications and features you choose. If you're looking for maximum flexibility, advanced customization, and one of the largest CRM ecosystems available, Salesforce is an excellent choice. On the other hand, if your organization already relies on Microsoft's business tools and wants deep integration across its software ecosystem, Microsoft Dynamics 365 may be the better fit. Ultimately, both are enterprise-grade CRM platforms. The right choice depends on your existing technology stack, business requirements, budget, and long-term growth plans. And that's our comparison of Salesforce CRM versus Microsoft Dynamics 365 in 2026. Hopefully, this helps you decide which platform is the best fit for your business.